How are ya? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs, in the fucking Arctic. Quick one today. Now, another big shout out to Arco at Outlaw Edge Customs. He keeps fucking hell, man. So he's giving me a bit of stick. It's all good banter. But there's lots of brotherly love. It's great. But he's like, post more videos, man. Fucking show me what you're doing. Blah, blah, blah. That'd be awesome. So here's a quick one. See you in a bit. Right, so let me bring my template. Look, we're on Jock's beautiful Yamaha custom. We're going to make a seat base this morning. So I'll start off with making a cardboard template. We'll get a bit of cardboard, lay it in, trace around the frame, yeah, and get a bend, find the middle on the fender and mudguard because we're British, and so on and so forth. Now, the top tip I'm going to share is how to get the top shape. How do you do this sort of shit, look? Well, I use old cutting, grinding, sanding. See, I've got a collection of old and new, and they're all different sizes. And really, these are my guides. These are what I use for sheet metal work, to get the corners, get round corners. And these washers, big washers, yeah, all sorts of shit. I'll show you some I did these foot peg brackets yesterday. Look, let's go to my scrap pile. Well, it's not scrap, but you know what I mean. So, these foot peg brackets, and a big washer, yeah, and then we draw around it, and then we put it in the corner, and we draw around that corner, and we get the shape that we want to plasma out, so we can freehand it out. Same with this. So, I'm going to place this big one in the middle, and get its top curve where I want it, and then trace around that, and then I can come in with a smaller one to get the shape that I need there. Look, hold on, I'll do it off camera and then show you. Right, I don't know if you can make sense of that, but we've put the big one on, got the top radius, there's a bird in there, did you hear that there? And then we put the small one on, yeah? We've decided we don't want a big round thing, we just want the curve. So I could have pulled this in a bit tighter, look, like that, which I might yet do. I'll try and do it on camera. So we can trace around that, look, which is not easy one-handed. Yeah, that's got it. Same the other side. So line it up at the top. Line it up on the edge where I want it, that width. Trace around that curve. Yeah. And that should give us the shape that we're going to cut out. Bear with. So there you have it, look. Trace around, cut out. Just try it on. With a bit of cardboard, knife, pair of scissors and a marker pen. With the help of those formers that I use. The sanding disc, cutting disc, they're all good for round formers. Yeah, a little cutout there for that bracket. It's going to go in somewhere there. Bit of a guide for me to work to. And then we're going to do another little one here for the, give a bit of clearance for these connections, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, now we've got the cardboard, we can lay it on the sheet metal, draw around it, plasma cut it, sand it, bend it, boosh, fit it, done, sorted. That's how we do that. So that's cut out, trimmed up, tacked in place. We use the old faithful pipe anvil. A couple of additions, look, Arco inspired. We've got a hammer holder, pen holder, and we've clipped the tape on, so there's always one there when we need it. Anyway, I'm going to knock this into shape, sort out the mountings for it, and go from there. Jobs are good then, look. That's it. Everything's done. There's those foot peg brackets that I was on about, where I used the form tool to get the radiuses. Same with the seat. Couple of little tacks and cleaning off it, which I'll do in situ probably. No, I'll probably whip it off actually, give it a quick fettle around. But that job is done. This video is done. Have a wonderful, wonderful day everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. And big love. See you soon.